Welcome back to World TV videos. Today we are going to tell you about a country called Sailing Great. The blue sky, blue water and white water view of the sea here makes this country more beautiful than any other. The greenery here makes people smooth. More animals than humans live here. 91% of the country is covered by trees and vegetation only. The world's most dangerous snakes are also found in this country. At one time, criminals from England were sent to Blackwater for punishment because there is a black pond in Australia. If you want to know more about it, it is very important that you watch the whole video. The official name of this country is Commonwealth of Australia. The population here consists of 2,57 lakh people. About 3 people live here per square kilometre. 86% of Australia's population lives in cities. The country's median age is 37 years old and young. The capital of Australia is Canberra. The beaches are here so big that you will be amazed. The country is also known for its sport. Australia is the best place in the world to play cricket. There are many sport activities to do here. Shopping is the most popular activity here. Do you know over 200 different languages are spoken in Australia? However, people from all over the countries live here and settle in this country. That is why many different languages are spoken here. This country are not very interested in education. Australia is one of the countries where women are given a lot of freedom and respect. Alpi is a mountain region with more snow than Switzerland. The most beautiful city in Australia is Melbourne. Australia is the leader in wine production. Its wine is exported all over the world. The country produces 1.35 trillion bottles of port wine a year. This country is also a major exporter of meat. Most of the camels in Saudi Arabia are exported from this country. Apart from this, Australia's fat camel is also exported to South American countries. Sports culture in Australia is very strong. Almost every children here is seen playing football or cricket, which is why this country is famous for sports. Millions of people visit Christmas Island in the month of November, and here the scene changes itself. If you use the road from the city to get to Ireland, the traffic stops. The shell and clear water of the barrier reef amazes everyone. November to June is considered the best time to visit this place. The Great Barrier Reef is especially popular here. Tasmania culture is very rich. Tasmania used to be a major route for British criminals. International Park has been declared a World Heritage Site in Australia. The national park is spread over 3,150 species of birds, 8 spectacular waterfalls, tribal peoples' rivers, wildlife wall with swamp, a rich heritage of wildlife, and the saltwater crocodile are major part of Australia's tourist attraction. The weather here is very pleasant. The garden building is an Australian World Heritage Site, a beautiful reception, and also it was built in the 19th century. It is one of the oldest sites. Local people here are considered to be very emotional and hard nature. So that's all in today's video guys. Hope you like this information about Australia. So if you like it, like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more upcoming and informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.